When a child learns something new, their brain undergoes a series of interconnected changes at multiple levels, from the structure of individual neurons to large-scale brain networks. Here's a detailed analysis of what happens. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change. Children's brains are far more plastic than adult brains, meaning they can reorganize neural circuits quickly in response to new experiences. This plasticity is highest in early childhood and gradually decreases with age. Synaptic plasticity. Every time a child learns, the connections, synapses, between neurons either strengthen if used often or weaken if neglected. Long-term potentiation, LTP. This is the process by which repeated activation of certain neural pathways strengthens the synapse, making it easier to trigger that pathway in the future. LTP is critical for memory and skill formation. Cellular level changes. At the microscopic level, learning triggers several processes. Neurotransmitter release. Chemicals like glutamate and GABA are released between neurons, transmitting signals. Learning often involves changes in these chemical balances. Dendritic growth. Neurons grow more branches, dendrites, creating additional points of connection with other neurons. Myelination. Repeated practice wraps certain axons in a fatty layer, myelin, allowing electrical signals to travel faster. This makes skills more automatic over time. Brain regions involved. Learning is not isolated to one part of the brain. Different regions work together. Hippocampus, essential for forming new memories and linking them to prior knowledge. Prefrontal cortex handles reasoning, attention, and decision-making, skills that mature into adolescence. Cerebellum, important for motor skills and learning sequences like riding a bike. Amygdala adds emotional weight to memories, making emotional experiences more memorable. Memory formation. Learning involves three major stages. 1. Encoding. The brain interprets and processes new information. 2. Consolidation. During rest or sleep, especially deep sleep, the hippocampus repeatedly replays new information, moving it into long-term storage in the cortex. 3. Retrieval. Accessing stored information strengthens it further. This is why practice and review are so powerful. Role of neurochemicals. Dopamine reinforces learning when children feel rewarded or curious. Acetylcholine improves attention and memory encoding. Cortisol. A little stress can improve alertness, but chronic stress impairs learning. Oxytocin. Social bonding and emotional safety enhance learning environments. Pruning and critical periods. Synaptic pruning. The brain overproduces synapses early in life and later removes unused ones. Learning strengthens relevant pathways while unused ones fade. Critical windows. Language, sensory, and motor learning have periods when the brain is especially receptive. Missing these windows can make certain skills harder to acquire later. Environment matters. Nutrition, omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, and vitamins support brain growth. Sleep consolidates memories and clears metabolic waste. Emotional safety. A supportive environment reduces stress hormones and encourages exploration. Lifelong effects. Frequent learning during childhood builds cognitive reserve, protection against age-related decline. Shapes personality, emotional regulation, and problem-solving abilities. Encourages growth, mindset, and resilience.